Alam mo bang sa halagang 2,647 pesos lang kada buwan, pwede kang magkameron ng healthcare, life insurance at investment? Karamihan sa atin naghihintay pa ng emergency bago maghanda. Pero paano kung ngayon pa lang, pwede mo na itong simulan? With Kaiser, you get 3-in-1 solution. May long-term healthcare, may life insurance, at investment for the future. Mas maganda kung bata ka pa, sinisimulan mo na. Dahil ang sakit, hindi nagpapa-schedule. Hindi mo alam kung kailan darating at hindi mo alam kung anong sakit ang pwedeng dumapo sa'yo. Mayaman ka man o mahirap. At kapag may Kaiser ka, protected ka. Mas masarap ang buhay na may peace of mind ka. Gawin mong parte ng budget mo ang 2,647 pesos per month kung ikaw ay 10 to 40 years old. Start protecting yourself and your family today. Message me now to learn how and to know the complete benefits of Kaiser.